Okay, I'm refilming an intro. I haven't worked on this car in a long time. Lots of parts have shown up. You're gonna see some of that today. Got the spoiler on. Did some more work on the front lip. I have a new door because I had to make an insurance claim because this one got hit by a tree and absolutely destroyed. There's an exhaust manifold there that used to be on the car. And guess what? Turbo's on. And I've started putting the intercooler in. I mean, there's tons of stuff to do, but start with the stuff that we've got done. I've got to quickly go in and edit this video. I hated my intro. I wasn't excited enough because I'm very excited about all this. So I'm reshooting it. So anyways, hope you enjoy today's episode and subscribe if you haven't. We're so close to 1,500 and I'd love to hit that milestone before we get this guy going. Anyways, see ya. Okay, today's really exciting because I have a new microphone and we have turbo parts. So this is the first package, but I'm just gonna quickly show you what we all have. As stuff is starting to show up, it's just taking forever. So silicone fittings, a million band clamps, like a million of these, way too many of these. Some 90s, some more, some more, some more straight, and if you didn't guess it, more band clamps. And the last piece in here, the intercooler. I haven't looked at this yet. That is made in China, 100%. Looking in there, woo, yikes. That's okay. Intercooler, we have an intercooler, and there's threads. So, it looks like it's actually welded all the way around and we don't have to touch it up. The best Chinese quality right there. Sweet, okay, well there's some parts, so that's more stuff that we can do. We can install it on the car. That's really exciting. So obviously, the intercooler needs to go right about here, down here, but I don't have anywhere to attach it because it's not meant for that. So I've got these holes here that I'll probably just make a bracket that goes down to there, but I don't want it to block too much airflow, so I gotta be careful. So I gotta brainstorm a little bit and kind of figure out what I'm gonna do here, but I'll figure something out. I literally have a hoist and here I am working on the floor for whatever reason. Guess I'm just too lazy to set it up right now. There we go. So now I can put your plates up here. There's nothing. Plates up there, plates down there. Mount it up, make it work. Cool. So this is exciting. There, turbo. Ooh, I'm gonna need two hands to grab this. Ta-da, that's my hand. There's the intake. And then gotta do some measuring here. I have a tape. Four-inch inlet. 2-inch outlet. So I need a 2 to 2.5 because this is all 2.5. The intercooler, there's a bracket I made. So I gotta keep plugging away here, but hey, we have parts showing up. This is awesome. Okay, the intercooler's mounted up. I had some rubber bushings, which is really nice because then this is insulated. I just gotta add the rubber bushings to the top ones here. And then that's on. So yeah, that's cool. One of the most important parts showed up today. The manifold. So we have a manifold, a turbo, I have the intercooler on there. So we can actually do some work and like put out some content and show you guys. I'm super excited about that. So I've done a few things, but we have hit our first roadblock, which we were expecting. The turbo is timed. The manifold's on. But I hit the coolant block here. It goes to the heater core, which I don't have plumbed in anyways, so I'm going to do something with that. The fuel line's also hit. So, oh, and the vacuum line got in the way for the booster. So just a bunch of little things. I'm going to have to keep plugging away at it and probably get some more parts, but that's okay. That was expected. And a couple of hours later, I got the manifold on and the spoolie boy on. So thank you very much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave a like if you liked it. Leave a comment. I do need a lot of help and some input, so I'll be asking some things down in the comment section. If you have knowledge, if you've built high horsepower Hondas with turbos, I'd love to hear from you. I need some advice regarding fueling, coolant block off things, throttle bodies, and just a bunch of other stuff. Oil, line routing, so on and so forth. Ugh, everything's so tight. Anyways, I will see you guys next time.